Oh guys, I just want to show you where I'm going to reverse to make my delivery. So I'm in this place. It's a garden center, Dobbies. Let's see. This is all the way through, as you can see. So what I have to do, I will have to reverse all this. So here and then reverse there to make my delivery. Just follow me. I'm going to trim some hedges because there are bushes there, you know, the bushes. Some people, they think driving a lorry is easy. It's not, because it's all to do about the reverse. So if you get your reverse right, and sometimes you don't get it right because you make mistake, we are human beings, just try to be safe. So this is how I do it. This is the first time in this place, but I have a map what I need to do. They give you a map, waitress give you a map. Okay, so this is the first reverse. Okay, so take space, more space. Put your hazard light, the windows down. Okay, near that place. And if you're not sure, you just get out and check. Okay, so you're always past that place, so you start. If you are not sure, just get out. So now I have to check that side. Okay, let's see there. Look, I just get out and see if I'm going to cut that tree or not. Okay, as you can see, it's quiet. So I just move forward here and just carry on with my reverse. Just go out and check. Just be safe. Be safe. If you have to do it tons of time, it's alright. Don't worry, as long as you are safe. Okay, a little bit like that. So now I pass that side. So more. Okay, see there. Sounds alright. Look at the cars, they keep coming. Okay, that's the first one. The first one, it's done. Okay, so now what I have to do, because that is tight in that side, so what I do, I just take all the space. Okay. This is blind spot. It's a blind spot and you have to get out. So because there is a mirror there, like there is a gap, so don't forget that side. So it's the same thing. One moment. So you go forward. So your trailer has to be near that side because you're going to swing like this. Okay, so near the bushes. And you know, if you are not sure, get out again, because you don't just say, ah, I'm fine, I pay fine or something? No, don't. So the advantage about this truck, it has this window. So because you do blind spot reverse a lot. Okay, so it seems all right. So that it's fine. Just take it, swing more. Okay, I know it's fine because plenty of space there. That it's all right. I'm not touching any hedges, nothing there. Okay, just keep bringing it because you still have more space. Check here. Okay, now you are almost in a straight line. Okay, so we have to do more that side because still have space. Okay, okay, now I bring it a little bit, try to see my mirror. Okay, that's it now. And if you are not sure, just get out. Okay, you see I'm too close there, so what I have to do, bring it that side, so I don't want to hit anything. Okay, okay, and I may move forward, I don't know. Let's see. I've been told if it is to the hedges, the bushes are sticking out a lot and you think you're going to touch anything, just tell them to come and collect it. Okay, so I can see, what I do, I move forward to get it more in lane. Okay, so now it's straight, huh? So just now go slowly and play with the driving wheel like that. I have seen skip there, so what I have to do, I have to be really careful. There is skip there, so I go that side more. And then, yeah, so you got to scan everything. So I can see the skip forward that side. Okay, to be honest with you, sometimes what you say, why I do this job, why? Okay, you see the skip, something sticking out. I will try to avoid it. Okay, look, so move forward because you don't know what's in the bushes. Look, I will try to be that side more quickly, like that, and bring it back, like that, and bring it back. So you don't know, this is the problem, you see, the trees. And okay, just keep doing it until you avoid that, because you don't know what's in the edges, the hedges there, you know, it could be anything, and then you get stuck. Okay, just move forward, no problem. Do it again until you get it right, because I don't know what's there. They don't trim the hedges in here. They should, because they making money. Okay, you see that? It's terrible. Do it again, just keep doing it, because it could be a branch sticking out and then you could damage your mirror or something. Okay, let's try like that. Now I'm going to hit that skip like that. may get out and see the skip, to be honest with you, because if you touch the end of the skip, you will rip off the trailer, you know, and they won't be happy with you. Okay, should be all right now. I can see the edge of the skip, you know. It's very dangerous. See, I'm really close to it, as you can see. Yeah. So this is the job, to be honest with you. It's involving reverse, and you getting paid for a good reverse, not because you are a good driver or anything. No. You see now, it's tricky. I know I am far away. There is mirror there, you can see. But look at that. Can you see? You see nothing. I just go slowly. Look, I avoided that skip. And just keep going. Keep going slowly. Should be alright now. You see, guys? Look. I don't know why they keep it like this, to be honest with you. They make money. If they don't make money, I understand. They want everything cheap. Yeah. See what I mean? I can't even open my door. I'm still, you see where it's, look at that, the bushes. Anyway, guys, I think I will have to stop here and tell them to come and collect their goods. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this reverse. Thank you. What's going on, tree here? I can't reverse because I may damage something. They will have to come and collect it, to be honest with you. This is ridiculous. No, mate. They have to come. Let's try one more time. Let's see. They will have to come because too many trees here, and I can't even open the door. This is the reverse.